Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to our 2021 Project Pan season finale. I'm going to go ahead and start in with my Clinique Instant Brow Lift, and I use this a total of 17 times. I'm having a hard time getting my camera focusing, but there's a good shot right there. I don't believe that I will finish this by the end of the year, but I am happy with the progress I have made this year. Right there is the progress line. I made a pretty good gap this month, I feel like. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. I feel like I did pretty good. Again, I'm probably not going to finish this, but I am happy with the progress I did make on this product. Next up is the product that I've been working on all year long. And I finally got it to a point to where it is no longer pumping. However, I did decide to cut it open, and I realized that there was a lot of product left. Let's see, I hope you can tell there. I believe that I can more than likely finish this by the end of the year. I use this pretty much every day I wore makeup this month. Not every single day, but a lot of the month I did. I used this a total of 11 times. So I really do feel like I can finish this by the end of the year. I'm hoping to, because I really don't want to bring this into 2022 with me. And then also a product that I am almost done with. I was trying really, really hard to finish it this month, but it's the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I am completely done. I'm scraping at the edges. I thought I might have been able to finish it today, and I was going to try and roll something else in for the month of December. However, I'm like just a couple of uses away from it. I'm like one or two, but then that keeps going on for days on end. I did use this a total of 16 times this month, so this I actually think I did use every day I wore makeup this month, aside from maybe a couple days here and there, but I've been trying really hard to finish this up. I thought about maybe trying to use this up and then rolling something else in within like the first week or two, but the product I have in mind I'd like to be able to finish by the end of the year. So instead what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish this up, roll it out, and start the year off with the product that I was going to replace. And then that way I'm just starting off the year fresh, and I'm just working on empties. The next I have is the Urban Decay Single Shadow in the shade Space Cowboy. I feel like I may have expanded the pan a little bit. This is not one of those items I am planning on finishing up. I used this a total of 7 times, which is fine. Not the worst I've done, not the best I've done. So, I mean, I'm pretty happy with this. I'm pretty okay with it. Again, this is just one of those products I just want to see how much I can use by the end of the year, and then I'll roll it out. Same thing goes with my Colourpop Super Shock Highlighter in the shade Flexitarian. I use this a total of 9 times. Don't really notice a huge change in the progress, but I used it consistently enough. And again, I'm not trying to finish this off. I'm going to roll it out at the end of the year, but I have had fun panning this product this year. And now, if you've been following my Project Pan, you know that this next product I probably shouldn't have put in here, but I did it anyway, and I'm just going to leave it until the end of the year. It's the Jordana lip tint, or not the lip tint, the Jordana color tint blush stick. I only use this 3 times. Again, not something I plan on finishing up at this point. I was trying to. Honestly, this more than likely is going to get decluttered. I am more than like, I didn't even mark it again this year, so